our channel. My name is Mika. My name is Lucy. Today we are gonna play slime with Keelan. Hi! The Guava toys have a lot to do. They have a lot of different stuff in it. It also has directions to do everything, and there's probably 5 of different Guava toys to play with, and so yeah. Open it. So you get this. Oh man! You get this. Yay! You get this. Yay! Aww! Then I get the little one. You get this. Oh yay, shiny! You get this. Yes! You get this. Aww! Mika, look! You get this. Oh yay! And then you get that. Oh, I got glowing eyes. And you get that. And that. I got golden, yay! And then that. Oh, okay. What? I'm gonna take the glue and put it in. Ugh, disgusting. Yucky. Ew, that's gross. I help you, okay? I think he's 7. I'm not 7, I'm 6. We are 6? Disgusting, disgusting. Ew. I'm gonna add some blue color to the blue. Oh! And then I'll stir it. I'm gonna add some activator inside. Ew! Yuck. Okay. Ew. Yucky. Ugh, yucky! It got on me. Oh, it got on me. I'm gonna add some glitter in the balls, poop balls. Whoa, my God, that looks so cool. Oh my. Oh God, there's balls everywhere. There's balls. Can you do this? Oh my, look good. Oh, you got it on me. Oh, you got it. Yucky. Put your bag in there. Is it bag slime? Oh God. And I have a ball on me. Yeah. Buy one, get one free. Here you go.
Lucy, touch it.
This is so cool. Make it so sticky.
Here you go.
Ew, yucky.
There.
I want to throw it. No! This feels so weird. I want to throw it.
What does it feel like?
It feels like sticky. It feels like when I...
What does it smell like?
It smells like garlic.
Mika, let me see yours.
Oh, it smells like garlic.
It smells like garlic.
Yes. I'm sticky. Why is the balls feel so bally? Look at mine. Oh, mine is sticky. Oh, it's sticking on your head. All over my hand. Oh, it's so sticky. I don't want it sticky. Look at mine. Well, it's sticking on me. Ball. It's a ball.
How did that feel? Was that fun?
Yes. Yes.
No?
Yes.
Why wasn't it fun, Lucy?
Yes, it is.
How does it smell? Does it smell good?
It looks like garlic butt. It looks like garlic butt. What is garlic butt? Is it like garlic that has butt?
Was it easy?
Yes. It was super easy and wait.
Do you guys recommend this for other kids then?
Yes. Thank you for Keelan for joining us on the channel. Follow me on Instagram, on